And the Prime Minister says the government will provide more information soon about plans for utilities like water in light of the coronavirus. But at the same time, residents in parishes experiencing dry conditions are expressing concern. Vashon Brown has that angle.
The dry spell now affecting the country is expected to last for at least another 2 months. The country has been experiencing drought conditions since late last year, with parishes like St. Mary among the worst affected. Now, with cases of COVID-19 confirmed in Jamaica and health authorities telling people to wash their hands regularly in an effort to protect themselves, people in St. Mary are concerned.
What are we going to use for hand washing, bathing, getting the clothes clean? For the few drums that I have at home, they are full right now, but how long will that serve?
I fill up all my stuff before I leave out.
Another resident argues the coronavirus and the drought form a troubling combination. However, she argues that she's been preparing for the arrival of COVID-19 for the past few weeks.
You buy more water tank, and you restore your water more, that you have water can wash your hand, wash clothes, and do the necessary where you need to.
So as the country battles the dry conditions, one resident says he has to think of ways to keep clean without using water.
Sanitizer and all of these things, you know. So what I do now, I show the alcohol in the wipes. Yes. You understand? Okay. So every stop, yes, I take out the wipes, wipe my hand. Yes. But you know, so when I touch the wipes, I will sanitize the wipes also.
In the meantime, the National Water Commission says the challenge is trying to ensure that people have enough water for personal hygiene while ensuring that there is enough water stored for the rest of the dry season. NWC Acting President Garth Jackson says the Commission will continue to truck water to the worst affected parishes.
We have the challenges. We have had systems failures over the last few days. We are commissioning the lines along Constant Spring Road, and that resulted in some issues over last week to early this week. We have worked through those problems. We still have some more activities to do in commissioning both the Constant Spring as well as the line on Hagley Park Road.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.